इनके आगे यार जाले काले काले रे, स्वैग है बड़े निराले रे, दंग है देखने वाले रे। देखो देखो अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया, सुन बन्नों को तू देसी मन बसिया लगे। अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया, बन्नों की अखियां तुझे दारू की गिलसिया लगे। अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया, सुन बन्नों को तू देसी मन बसिया लगे। अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया, बन्नों की अखियां तुझे दारू की गिलसिया लगे। अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया, सुन बन्नों को तू देसी मन बसिया लगे। अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया, बन्नों की अखियां तुझे दारू की गिलसिया लगे। अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया, सुन बन्नों को तू देसी मन बसिया लगे। अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया, बन्नों की अखियां तुझे दारू की गिलसिया लगे। रंगीनों के सदियों में तुम्हारी चांदनी, हार दे कलाया सूरी, बोले सोने की बांगड़ी। अंग्रेजी रंग रसिया लगे, देसी मन बसिया लगे, तुझे दारू की गिलसिया लगे।
Wow! We promised you a surprise and you got one. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, put your hands up for Vani Kapoor! The sass, the class, the khubsurati ka blast you are today. Vani Kapoor, you are absolutely beautiful on stage. But let's talk to you a little more and tell you about Abir Gulal. There's your mic. Thank you, Amit Trivedi.
Wow, this feels like a blessing. You guys, thank you for making tonight. I'm so happy to see all of you here, giving us so much love and warmth. Thank you for being here again.
Can we increase the volume of the mic, please? I also want to ask you, how do you feel coming back to Dubai?
Dubai is like home now. I love Dubai and I love the energy, I love the vibe, I love the passion people have here. I just love that there's so much to do here and the food. I'm a foodie, so I
So
always
at-
end up mentioning food.
So at Global Village, you have entertainment, you have food, you have the rides. What would you go for in the beginning?
Well, I don't have cheap thrills, I don't want to die on a ride, that'd be very sad. But food is something that excites me. What's the other thing? And shopping.
And shopping, yes, absolutely. Now, if I had to ask you your favorite track from the film Abir Gulal, what would you name?
I love all the tracks because I think every track has meaning and it's a different genre on its own, and it's for a different mood.
बस एक मैं, बस एक तुम हो।
Abhi Singh. Please sing. Look at it.
Do you want me to?
लाख सितारों
Hello, Dubai. Thank so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
मैं तोलूं सब सांसें अब तेरे नाम की, एक तू ही बस मेरा दुनिया किस काम की। चढ़े हैं तेरे रंग के अब तेरे संग, ये लागे मन मेरा आज हो गया, खुदाया इश्क होते होते हो गया।
Not bad.
तेरी मेरी इश्क कहानी जैसे दरिया का बहता पानी, समझेगा ना कोई है ये बात रूहानी।
मेरे दिल के लफ्ज़ चुरा के कहती है नजर दीवानी, एक तू नया नया सा दुनिया के पुरानी।
सारी तारीखों पे हक है तेरा, और क्या मैं चाहूँ तू है मेरा। खुदा इश्क रे, इश्क रे, इश्क रे।
इश्क होते होते
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Abir and Gulab!
Come on, people from India, make some noise. People from Pakistan.
Guys, we know, he's got the looks, he's got the charm, he's got that Khandani tehzeeb. Look at him, the heartthrob, Fawad Khan!
वानी, आपको हमारा सरप्राइज कैसा लगा?
बहुत ही बेहतरीन. That's something he uses a lot. बेहतरीन.
बेहतरीन, बेहतरीन.
Gulal is actually blushing, full gulab is happening on
my
your
clothes
cheeks
also
right
blushing.
now. Yeah, look at you, make some noise for both of them, ladies and gentlemen.
You know, finally we have what the film is going to be.
पहले आप.
I feel this film is a celebration of love, made with nothing but love, and all we hope is the audience to return us the same warmth and heart.
that's
Absolutely,
brilliant.
and I think we were all yearning for a love story, a rom-com, and you guys are bringing it back again. Thank you so much. Abir Gulal, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you.
Before we let you go, one more thing. What's the most amazing part or a thing about working with Vaani Kapoor and vice versa? You first.
Well, I think the most amazing thing about working with Vani is that she's an extremely warm, an extremely talented person. और आप लोगों ने पहले भी इनका काम देखा होगा और बहुत enjoy किया होगा. But I had the privilege of working a part of this. May you have a good time in the theaters. Thank you.
Can I say something? You know, फवाद की आवाज में इतना जादू है. देखो, मैं बोलने लगता हूँ, लोग चीखने लगते हैं.
जाने
आप
दीजिए
बोलने
यार.
लगते हो, सब चुप हो जाते हैं. सब सुनना चाहते हैं. क्या आवाज है यार. Make some noise for फवाद खान, guys. Come on.
All right, what about you, Vaani Kapoor? Something that was absolutely spectacular about working with Fawad Khan for all of us so that we get to know how it is.
I think there are too many things. I don't know where to begin. I was just telling him backstage that how my mother reviewed our first song when it came out, and she sees the song, she calls me excitedly, and she's like, "Oh my God, Fawad Khan! He's so good looking!" And I'm like, "Yeah, he is very good looking." Then she's like, "He's such a wonderful performer, and the way he sings." I'm like, "Yeah, right." No ego, no baggage, just grounded and inspiring. So I'm just inspired by this man here.
Thank you. Vani, thank you so much.
And in true Dubai style, please give them both here. Ladies and gentlemen, Abir and Gulal, come on.
And keep that going because we have a few winners who will get a chance to come and have their pictures with both Abir and Gulal. Can we please